I'm Sarah from A.R.E, and today I'm here to show you the DCU Series truck cap. With over 200 variations to choose from, you can create the perfect cap to fit your work needs. Our rugged, fully welded aluminum frame provides years of durability, and the DCU is available in 4 standard colors, including the YZ White as seen here, or can be painted to match for an additional charge. The full-length side doors with optional toolboxes allow quick and easy access to your tools, while the optional ladder rack prepares you for any job. Make sure the bed of your truck is lit up with the optional LED lighting. There are 12 different lighting schemes to choose from, so we know you'll find one perfect for you. There are also 8 different ways to customize your rear door, including the half rear door with a window, as seen here. But the DCU is not only great on the job site, it is also secured. All access points are lockable, and the DCU comes standard with Bolt 1 key technology. The locks are programmable to your truck's key, so as long as you have the key to your truck, you have the key to your cap. The DCU is a perfect solution to your work needs, and Handyman Magazine agrees, for we were the only truck cap to receive a 10 out of 10 rating. As always, our goal at A.R.E is to outfit your truck for life. Thanks for watching.